this video I'm going to show you how to install extensions in Linux, probably Ubuntu 20.10. What was happening with my system was, if I tried to install the extension, it wasn't being installed. Let me show you what I mean. I have the bookmark for the extensions, which is extensions.gnome.org. The link will be put in the description below. So for example, let me try to install the game mode. Here it's saying it's off. So to install the game mode extension, just press this one, which is on. Usually it's supposed to bring a window where it's supposed to enter the password as an admin in order for the extensions to be installed. Now nothing happens. So if I refresh the page, it will say off again, meaning the extension is not installed. So what you do is, there is a download here on the shell version. What shell are you using? If you don't know the shell you are using, just go in the settings and then you go, that is about here. So I'm using the Ubuntu 20.10, 64-bit. The long version is this one, which is 3.38.1. Okay, so shell version usually 3.38.1 is not there. For me, I usually go for the latest one. So for this game mode, it's this one. And then extension version, here the available one is 4. But I'm not going to download this one because it's not the one I want. So I cancel back. The one I want is emoji selector, which is this one. I've been looking for this show for a long time. So let's try. On. The window is not coming. Try to refresh. It says off. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, in the shell version is this one, 3.38 is available. So I go for that one, which is the latest one. Extension version, I just go for the 720. Then I download this one. Right. Okay, finished. Open the folder. It's this one. I'm going to extract here. It's this one. Then usually me, I like putting all the extensions in one folder. So what I'll do is I'll cut this one, and then I'll go home. By default, some files are hidden. It appears like this. So to unhide hidden files, we press just a menu, show hidden files, and then hidden files, you go to local, find where local is, .local, share, and then gnome-shell-extensions. So these are all extensions that are available on my system. So I'm going to paste that one, that emoji selector I extracted, open, and then I'm going to find metadata.json file, which is this one, metadata.json file. I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to look for where the UUID is, which is line number 16, and then you copy the text between the quotes and here, sign, copy, close, back, and then I'm going to name this one using the copy text, say paste, then rename. So this is the energy selector. So back out, let me just close this one, then this one. So I'm having the extensions I'm having at the moment are these ones. Here the emoji selector is not here. So for the extension to work, you need to restart your system. So I'm going to pause the video and then restart the system. So if you want, let me do this. Image selector, nothing is coming for the image selector there. So I'm going to restart the system. Have restarted the system. Now we have to enable the extension in order for it to work. So we're going to extensions, and then here is the emoji selector. Turn it on. It's here as you can see. So press it. So these are the extensions available. They are quite a lot. Okay, this is nice. I've never seen some of them before. Okay. So that's how you install extensions in Linux Ubuntu 20.10 manually. It's simple, you can do it. For me, in order for me to make videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.